Welcome back to the Delft Stack tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to fill out a PDF form on your Mac without installing any extra software. If you've ever received a contract, application, or document that needs information added before sending it back, your Mac already has a built-in tool that can help. Start by locating the PDF file on your Mac. Instead of opening it right away, right-click the file, choose Open With, and then select Preview. This opens the document in Apple's built-in PDF viewer, which includes several useful editing features. Once the PDF is open, scroll to the area where you need to enter information. Click anywhere inside the document, then go to the View menu at the top of the screen and select Show Markup Toolbar. This toolbar gives you access to text, drawing, highlighting, signatures, and more. To add text, click the Text button represented by a small letter A inside a box. A text box will appear on the page. Drag it to the correct location, click inside it, and start typing. If the text size looks too large or too small, don't worry. You can customize it by selecting the text and using the formatting options in the toolbar. From there, you can adjust the font style, size, alignment, and color. For most forms, black text works best because it looks more natural and professional. If the text box isn't positioned perfectly, simply click outside the box and drag it into place. You can repeat this process as many times as needed throughout the document. While we're halfway through, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tips that can save you time. Back in Preview, if your PDF contains checkboxes, you can often place a small text box with an X where needed. You can also use the Signature tool in the Markup Toolbar if the form requires a signature. Just click the Signature option and create one using your trackpad, camera, or iPhone. Once you've finished filling out the form, review each page to make sure everything is positioned correctly. Then click File and choose Save. This stores all of your changes directly in the PDF. If you want to keep the original file untouched, choose Duplicate first and save your edited version separately. That's all it takes to fill out a PDF form on a Mac using Preview. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next one.